Sige. Kasali man, di ba, documentation good?
Ay, oh,
Oo, kasi ka na, isa pa.
Asa mong balat?
Uy, basta, ano ka, nag-video ka, para sa documentation na to. Okay. Ay, ipakita na lang sa nila to kay ma'am. Sige.
documentation.
Sige.
Ay, sabi ko.
Ma'am, okay na nga ni kadagan? Hinayon?
Iyan na ang beton mo.
Ay, kato, isa?
Itong labuan mo,
Ay, ka rin. Love, time. Oh, sige, ibukaw
Wala ka po ako, ikaw din po nila na ito karoon.
Oo.
Pila ingo ni mga pila ka po man dapat mahito.
Ay, tapil na lang mo sabi Berpan.
Ay, sa kasakot.
Ops, dili abot mo dito ah. Dahil naki-join sila ka ta. Dira.
Oh, di ba ba na lang eh?
Asa pod bag buhat is iba ba?
Napa dito?
Dito ah. Bawang gyapon na to ni.
Hugot na ni. Baka di balik.
Ay tama no, ibaba gyapon ni sa ano niya.
Gyapon eh.
Isulti sa ibaba pag mga
Dili na mo gamit na laing ano. So ibaba na dito na lang taong. Ang atong activity sa ilalim na lang buhatan. Kay pag gumamangkod na to, di ba, umanata, magamit na po ang other na photo ba?
ulay sa na siya sa hunon niya pag maning nakalagay.
Sige, pag repeat.
Baba na lang.
I remember night driving down on Church Lane, calling Dad to tell him I felt lucky. It was September 28th. Swear I'll never forget that day. You had me laughing till my cheeks hurt. And you weren't even trying to be funny. Walked you home in the rain, but I walk back not the same. I feel so hard, you come me fast. I've never heard of love like that. 10 steps forward and there's no going back. So I pray if I died that I would go before you, 'cause I don't think that I could live a day without you. You're everything I hope for, but I never thought I'd ever find. Oh, feel it home in your eyes, and I just wanna stay here through the tears and the fights, 'cause I can see it so clear. There'll be a time where we had to say goodbye. I found you in this one, so I find you in every lifetime. Growing old with you will be my biggest blessing. Holding hands while counting our gray hairs. We'll be toasting to the two of us, thanking God as we raise our cups, 'cause we made it, we're the lucky ones. Oh, I pray if I died that I will go before you, 'cause I don't think that I could live a day without you. You're everything I hope for, but I never thought I'd ever find. Oh, feel it home in your eyes, and I just wanna stay here through the tears
Give back documentation.
Pagpan mo na, pagpala na sa pagpartner.
Ah, sige, pwede.
Kaya balik mo na ako sa sapong.
Sa experiment ko na experiment ko
Then, ang tuluan na kami kasi balik na sa ang dalawa. Dapat, kasi ito po yung
Asa ang scoop na to?
kuha na natin ba? Kagaling ko sa balik? Sobra ka puro liya eh.
Sobra pa? Sige, try.
Ano tanan?
Ah, mana. 0.5 kilogram siya. Ah, sige, sabay-sabay tayo dito.